How about that? Big,
Devil eggs?
devil eggs.
Wait, same thing, but then you beat the yolks separately.
Yeah.
And you mix with a nail and stuff inside, and then you throw it in.
And then,
Yeah.
all right. I guess I could have asked next time.
Yeah.
But they have different recipes.
A little I put paprika over the top, salt, pepper. You're done. Lay it down, big boy.
I just wanted to get his face.
This is about the time he takes a nap.
Oh yeah?
He's
I
ready.
go inside and I take a nap too.
Oh yeah.
God, I couldn't believe that I had missed. And then I'm going and going. I go to Costco, all the little towns.
Yeah.
And I go by Joe's place, you know, past.
Yeah.
And I say, what the hell? This guy-
This is when you were trying to come up here to find us? You passed us by about what, 10 miles?
I was looking for the road from Chilcancy,
Yeah.
and I guess I went through it. But this guy was acting up too, and there was a line of cars, and I just kept going.
Well, yeah, and then you come a quarter mile and you're done.
Yeah, I should go.
You got to the other city.
How you doing, Papino? Daisy, how you doing? Sasha? Okay, in a while, guys, I'll let you out.
And then you're gonna never taste.
You know, even when we were married, we were slept apart
Yes.
because she was.
Kara has her own ways.
Yeah, and she don't want to watch TV late, and that's it. She want to watch TV, and when I get sleepy, I want a nap.
Buster.
Hey, Buster Posey!
Hey, Buster. He has to give you a
Buster
kiss.
Posey, you're on
Oh,
camera.
there they go. They're kissing. They're kissing.
Hey, Buster.
Keep your tongues in your mouth, Buster.
Trade saliva. Did you on YouTube? They had this father, disgusting, letting his kid suck his toe.
Oh my God. That's it. On that note.
Louis.